Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? Meet the Apple AirTag, your ultimate solution for never losing track of what matters most. In this 2025 review, we'll dive into why this smart Bluetooth tracker is a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their life. First up, let's talk about the game-changing precision finding with ultra-wideband technology. Imagine an arrow on your iPhone screen, pointing you directly to your lost item, complete with distance. It's like having a personal locator beacon. Setting up these brilliant trackers is ridiculously simple, thanks to the one-tap setup with your iPhone. Just unbox, tap, and it's instantly connected to your Apple devices, ready to track within seconds. Truly seamless Apple magic. And for those everyday mishaps, you'll love that AirTags are water and dust resistant with an IP67 rating. Whether it's a sudden downpour or a dusty adventure, your AirTag can handle it, giving you unbeatable peace of mind wherever you go. If you're ready to experience the best Bluetooth tracker on the market and reclaim your lost items, check out the Apple AirTag 4-pack linked in the description below. Seriously, for accuracy, ease of use, and sheer reliability, the Apple AirTag is undeniably one of the best electronics buys of 2025. You won't regret this investment.